In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to print in PowerPoint step by step. Whether you want to print full slides for a presentation, handouts for your audience, or notes pages for yourself, this guide will walk you through every setting you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll understand all the print options available in PowerPoint and how to choose the right one for your needs. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and load the presentation you want to print. Make sure you've saved your latest changes before printing, especially if you've recently edited your slides. Once your presentation is open and ready, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will open the Backstage view, where you can manage your presentation settings. From the menu on the left-hand side, click on Print. As soon as you click Print, you'll see the Print Settings panel appear, along with a print preview on the right side of the screen. This preview is extremely helpful because it shows you exactly how your slides will look when printed. Now let's look at the most important settings. Under the Settings section, click on the drop-down labeled Print What. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, this may appear as a drop-down showing options like full-page slides by default. Click on that drop-down and if necessary, scroll through the list. Here you can choose exactly what you want to print. You can select Slides to print full slides, Notes pages if you want to include your speaker notes below each slide, or Outline if you only want the text content of your presentation. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Next, click on the Slides and Handouts drop-down. This is where you control the layout of your printed slides. For example, you can choose full-page slides to print one slide per page. If you're printing for an audience, you might prefer Handouts, where you can print multiple slides on a single page, such as 2, 3, 4, 6, or even 9 slides per page. This is great for saving paper and ink. Select the layout that works best for your presentation. After choosing the layout, move to the Color drop-down. Click on the Color, Grayscale, or Pure Black and White option. If you're using a color printer and want vibrant slides, select Color. If you want to reduce ink usage but still maintain some detail, choose Grayscale. For the most ink-efficient option, especially for simple text slides, select Pure Black and White. Next, click on the Collation drop-down. Here you can choose between collated and uncollated copies. If you're printing multiple copies of your presentation, selecting collated will print complete sets in order. For example, slide 1 through slide 10, and then repeat. Uncollated will print multiple copies of each slide before moving to the next one. Most of the time, collated is the preferred option. Once you've adjusted all your settings, take a moment to carefully review the print preview on the right side. Scroll through the preview to make sure everything looks correct, including slide layout, spacing, notes placement, and margins. This step helps you avoid wasting paper and ink. Finally, check your printer selection at the top of the print menu to ensure the correct printer is selected. You can also adjust the number of copies you want to print. When everything looks good, click the Print button. And that's it. You now know how to print in PowerPoint, customize layouts, choose color settings, and control collation options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.